Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to install Composer. Composer is a tool for dependency management in PHP. It allows you to declare the libraries your project depends on, and it will manage, install, update them for you. Go to your favorite browser and type Composer. Select the first link that pops up. Go to their official site so we can download their latest version. Latest version, as of the video published date, is 2.7.7. Click on Download. Here is the download page. I have already provided the download link in the description box. Click on composer-setup.exe. It will start automatically downloading. After it's downloaded, go to your download folder. Double-click on it. I am installing for all users, which is the recommended method. Click on Next. By default, it will show the installed PHP version in your machine. If you haven't installed PHP, you can easily install it within a minute by going through the video on top right now. Assuming you have PHP installed and everything is ready to go, click on Next. Keep it as it is and click on Next. Click on Install Now. Click on Next. Now PHP Composer has installed successfully. Go to search bar and type CMD. Type Composer. If you get something similar to this with Composer version, that means you have successfully installed it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.